feel like you guys have seen me, but you don't know me. But let's get to know me. So, my name is Hanifa Richards. I'm Jamaican, so I can't pronounce the H.
He. Eat.
But Hanifa. I think I did my best right there. But I call myself Nifa Rich. I am 28 years old, Aquarius. Yeah, you gotta know, you gotta be an Aquarius. I like sports, track and field especially, netball, and I would say football as well. Currently starting my own business in Jamaica, so make sure you follow my journey. Favorite color? I would say black. Black is not even a color, but I'm always in a black. Come on, let's be real. I've lived in England for 10 years. England dark. So if I wear any other color, people are gonna look at me like
they're too bright.
It's too bright in here. So yeah, that's a little bit about me, and remember to follow my YouTube channel for in-depth. Bye.